Want to create a QR code for a location in Google Maps? Here's how to do it. Open the Google Maps app, tap the search bar, type the location or address. Select the correct place from the results. At the bottom, swipe the information panel up. Tap Share, tap Copy Link. This copies the Google Maps location link. Now open a browser like Safari or Chrome. Search for QR code generator. Open any QR code generator website. Paste the Google Maps link into the website field. The QR code will be generated automatically. You can customize the design if you want. Then tap Download. Save the QR code image to your phone. You can now share the QR code anywhere. When someone scans it, it will open the location in Google Maps. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Google Maps tips and tutorials.